Hey, try this.
Oh, that is tasty.
Thanks.
Is it real?
Of course. Are you?
No, animated. You know, I'm always looking for real Honey for Honey Nut Cheerios.
Well, you've come to the right place.
Great. Mind if I have another taste?
Not at all. You alright, bud? Oh, he likes that.
Time to complete breakfast.
Meet the Moores. We're the Moore family, and as you can see, we needed internet that could do more.
We do more games,
And more streaming.
so we need more speed. That's why we switched to Time Warner Cable.
You can too. Call 1-844-633-9026.
Now we can connect more devices at the same time.
The Wi-Fi in this house is amazing.
Oh my guacamole.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Look at that.
Time Warner Cable even has an internet plan for us.
Get the internet speed that's right for you. From 3 minutes to ultra-fast 300 minutes.
They even made it easy to switch with a 1-hour arrival window.
Why settle for less when you can get more?